Welcome to the AI revolution. From self-driving cars navigating our city streets to algorithms predicting market trends, artificial intelligence and machine learning are rapidly reshaping our world. These technologies, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are now driving innovation across industries, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and beyond. But what exactly are AI and ML? In essence, they represent our attempt to imbue machines with human-like intelligence, enabling them to learn from data, adapt to new information, and make decisions. At its core, artificial intelligence is the broader concept of creating machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This can range from simple tasks like recognizing patterns to more complex endeavors like natural language processing and decision-making. Machine learning, a subset of AI, focuses on enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bike. You wouldn't provide them with a complex physics equation to calculate balance. Instead, you let them learn through trial and error, adjusting their approach based on experience. Similarly, machine learning algorithms learn by identifying patterns and relationships within vast data sets, allowing them to make predictions or decisions. This transformative technology is already revolutionizing numerous fields. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, develop personalized treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. In finance, algorithms analyze market data, manage risk, and detect fraudulent transactions. And in the realm of transportation, self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a tangible reality. As AI and ML continue to evolve, their impact on our lives will only become more profound. Embarking on a journey into the world of AI and ML does require a solid foundation, much like a rocket needs a powerful launch pad. Don't worry, we're not talking about building a rocket from scratch here, but a basic understanding of programming languages like Python and fundamental mathematical concepts like linear algebra and calculus will serve you well. Think of programming languages as the tools you'll use to communicate with machines, providing them with instructions and shaping their behavior. Python, with its intuitive syntax and vast libraries specifically designed for AI and ML, is an excellent starting point. It's like learning a new language, but instead of speaking to humans, you'll be conversing with machines, guiding them to process information and solve problems. Mathematics, on the other hand, provides the underlying principles that govern how these algorithms work. Linear algebra, for instance, helps us understand how data is represented and manipulated within these systems, while calculus provides the tools for optimization, allowing us to fine-tune algorithms for maximum performance. Now let's move beyond the theoretical and dive into the exciting world of hands-on projects. The beauty of AI and ML lies in their practical applications, and the best way to learn is by doing. Start with small, manageable projects that pique your interest. Perhaps you're curious about building a movie recommendation system, or developing an algorithm to identify different species of birds from images. Platforms like GitHub offer a treasure trove of open-source projects, providing you with access to code, datasets, and a collaborative community of learners. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and iterate. Remember, every error is an opportunity for learning and growth. As you gain confidence, gradually increase the complexity of your projects, challenging yourself to tackle new and more intricate problems. As you delve deeper into the vast ocean of AI and ML, you'll encounter a myriad of specialized areas, each with its own unique set of challenges and rewards. From computer vision and natural language processing to robotics and reinforcement learning, the possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. It's natural to gravitate towards a particular area that sparks your curiosity and passion. Specializing in a niche allows you to develop deep expertise, becoming a sought-after expert in that domain. However, it's equally crucial to maintain a broad understanding of the broader AI and ML landscape. Think of it like exploring a new galaxy. While you might choose to focus your research on a specific star system, it's essential to have a general understanding of the galaxy's structure, the forces at play, and the interconnectedness of its components. This broader perspective will serve you well, enabling you to draw connections between different areas, adapt to new challenges, and contribute to the field in a more meaningful way. In the ever-evolving cosmos of AI and ML, collaboration and knowledge sharing are paramount. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and experts who can provide guidance, support, and inspiration. Attend industry conferences, join online forums and communities, and participate in hackathons and workshops. These gatherings provide invaluable opportunities to connect with fellow enthusiasts, learn from industry leaders, and stay abreast of the latest advancements. Remember, the journey into the world of AI and ML is not meant to be a solitary one. Embrace the power of community, share your knowledge freely, and never hesitate to seek guidance from those further along the path. As you embark on your AI and ML career, your resume and portfolio serve as your interstellar passport, showcasing your skills, experience, and potential to prospective employers. When crafting your resume, tailor it to the specific requirements of each job application. Highlight relevant coursework, projects, and skills that align with the position's demands. Quantify your achievements whenever possible, using metrics and data to demonstrate your impact. Your portfolio, on the other hand, provides tangible evidence of your abilities. Showcase your best projects, providing clear explanations of the problem, your approach, the tools and technologies utilized, and the results achieved. The interview process, much like a spacecraft's re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, can be both exhilarating and nerve-wracking. But with adequate preparation, you can navigate it with confidence and grace. Before an interview, thoroughly research the company and the specific role you're applying for. Familiarize yourself with their work, their values, and their position within the AI and ML landscape. Practice answering common interview questions, articulating your skills, experiences, and career aspirations clearly and concisely. Be prepared to discuss your technical knowledge, your problem-solving approach, and your ability to work effectively within a team. Remember to showcase your passion for the field, your eagerness to learn, and your commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The field of AI and ML is in a constant state of flux, evolving at a pace that rivals the expansion of the universe itself. What's considered cutting edge today might be commonplace tomorrow, and new breakthroughs emerge with astonishing regularity. To thrive in this dynamic environment, it's essential to cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. Stay abreast of the latest research papers, attend industry conferences, and engage with online communities to remain at the forefront of innovation. Subscribe to relevant journals, follow thought leaders and researchers on social media, and make time for professional development courses and workshops. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong endeavor, especially in a field as rapidly evolving as AI and ML. As we stand at the precipice of this technological revolution, the possibilities presented by AI and ML seem as limitless as the cosmos itself. These transformative technologies have the potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from combating climate change and eradicating diseases to unlocking the secrets of the universe. But just as the cosmos requires careful observation and understanding, so too does the responsible development and deployment of AI and ML. It is our shared responsibility to ensure that these powerful tools are used ethically, equitably, and for the betterment of all humankind. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, let us proceed with curiosity, courage, and a deep sense of wonder, for the future of AI is ultimately intertwined with the future of humanity itself.